Hello, today we had a Hyundai Sonata, 2011 Hyundai Sonata. The problem is once you start driving, you can see here drive, then it turns, once you slow down or come to a turn or something, it become first, like you switch to stick shift. Instead of D, you will see 1. That's the problem. So the customer took it to the dealer to have it diagnosed. They told him you need transmission is going bad, so we replaced the transmission and this problem still the same. After that, then we thought probably is the shifter here, because this is drive, like you see there, it's drive. If you switch here is first gear. So that's what's happened when you start driving. You on drive, you didn't touch the shifter, the car will switch to first gear, or sometimes second gear, depend of the speed you're going. So after trying mostly everything, we took off the shifter, we replaced the shifter, it's still doing the same. We disconnected while driving and on D and still switched the same. We tried different computer. It needed programming and stuff, so we thought it's the computer of the transmission that's bad. At the end, the customer said that these buttons are not working. The horn is working, but these two are not. So we went ahead and replaced the clock spring. It's under the airbag right here. So once we replaced the clock spring, we didn't see the problem anymore. It does not exist. So maybe that was the issue from the beginning. I don't know how, but the clock spring here maybe was causing the transmission to shift from D to stick shift, to like first gear, second gear while you're driving, which is bothers you. You have to stop, turn off the car, and then put it on D again to drive again. That problem was not happening like every time, but it was happening time to time, but lately it was a lot. So the fix for this is, if you have a 2011 Hyundai Sonata and it's doing this problem, shifting from D while you're driving and you didn't touch the shifter, it will go to first gear or second gear, then just don't replace any transmission or anything. Just go ahead and replace your clock spring. That's the fix for this problem. It's very crazy. I don't know what's the relation, but this is what was causing this.